got pretty much, you gotta clean this out with bleach before you start. So I did that yesterday, so it wouldn't slow me down today. Make sure it's dry. And then you got your demineralized water, or you can use RO water, like reverse osmosis, depends whichever you prefer. It doesn't really matter to me, so kids are only good brine shrimp, so, oh, sea monkeys, whatever you want to call them. So just going to do some phytoplankton. I've got the culture here ready. It's been kept in the fridge, so it's pretty much green water. And just, mine's all marked out with a leader, so I know where it is already. It's much easier. And then I'll mark out the extra level when I put the plankton in, phytoplankton. Went over, the usual.
So you got your 1 litre of water.
Yep.
Well, and then your salt.
Yep. So 25 grams salt. So that's 15, 20, 25. And then you're gonna need your fertilizer, F2 algae. Comes in 2 parts, A and B. Cut it by A and B for some reason. I wish there was just one. That was 1 part. And you need like 1 mil for 1 litre. So I need a decent syringe to show me where I'm at. Otherwise, so I need half of a mil. That one. And half a mil for that one. And then these have to be, once you've opened these, you've got to put them in the fridge. That's what they recommend, so that's what I do.
Your algae stuff.
Sorry? I'll just mix it up.
Very lemonade.
That's right, imagine that. You'd be pissed if you drank that shit. Oh man, that sucks. So some people, I put 75 mils of culture into 1 litre. I just do 75 of the phytoplankton culture.
Yeah, it looks like a lemon lime bitters.
Yeah, that I don't want to drink. There's 75 in total. And then I'll mark a line where that's at. And I'll drill a hole in here, get an airline in, and we'll go to the shed and we'll go take care of that part of it. So here's a hole in the lid that I prepared earlier with the airline. It's quite easy, just get a drill bit or a soldering iron. And just leave them in a bit of light.
And that's just a fish tank pump, is it?
Yeah, just a little one. Just got it for out here that I'm gonna transfer into the house when it's hot, because get the heat wave, it'll just kill everything. So just keep them in the light, so it has its own light, it's not too cold there. And then I'm gonna bring them in when it starts getting sort of colder months, and then set it up inside. When your actual culture is nice and green, that's really green like that, not that green, but a nice dark green, you can harvest it and then start another process again. And I'm just going to use, what was it, about 10 mils for the actual kids. They got those sea monkeys, so I'll do that for them, put in That's about nine mils. I'll take out 9 from the their little aquarium and put 10 mils for this in. So I've got some other cultures already in the house happening. So you've got the 1 litre line and the culture line, just to keep reference. And this one's the 14th, I think it was. That's the one that's coming along. These are still moving. Might just turn this grow light off. And this is the kids' brine shrimp, if you can see them there. Do you need the big light on for those guys? There they are there. And usually you just take out the amount you need to take out. Make sure you don't suck up any brine shrimp, because they do love to go where you are taking the water from. And they get sucked up. So I've got about 7 mils in there. And perfect, that's about 7 now.
So that's the culture, and you're feeding
Yep.
the sea monkeys or the brine shrimp, the culture.
Yep. And that's what all this lab experiment here is for the kids. For the kids.
That you look after.
Yeah, which I've ended up looking after. Fun times. They've also got vinegar eels there.